Hi, wanna know how to change wallpaper on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to go to our home screen and here hold our finger on any empty place until you'll get to this editing menu, which looks like this. Now, as a next step, we would need to click on this icon on the left side to open the wallpaper application. Here, as you can see, we can see a lot of suggested wallpapers from Xiaomi, but if you would like to set any photo that you have currently in your gallery as a wallpaper, for that we would need to go to this tab which is named My Account, then open this tab which is named Wallpapers. Then here we would need to click on this green plus that you can see at the right bottom corner. Here, allow access to all of the photos and videos that you have in your gallery, and here choose gallery. Here, as a next step, we would need to choose the photo that you would like to set as your wallpaper. So for example, I'll choose just random photo that I got here with these headphones. And now you can see that this photo appeared in this tab which is named My Wallpapers. If we will click on it, here we can see this button apply. We would need to click on it and here choose where you would like to set the wallpaper, on your lock screen, home screen, or both. So I'll set home screen, and this is it. Now we should have this wallpaper on our home screen, and yes, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.